What's up, gods on earth? This is Daimonic and welcome to Bitcoin's road to 100k. Today we are doing the second episode of Bitcoin's road to 100k and beyond, and let's just start by pulling on the BLX. And as I said before in the previous video, that Bitcoin rarely does 3 red candles in a row, and whenever we have 3 red candles, we can be almost certain that a fat green candle is gonna follow. So we at the moment we are seeing this play out right now. So let's go on the daily. Okay, so this is the daily on BTC versus USD, and you can see that we were getting held down by this resistance right here. You can see that Bitcoin pumped all the way here, met some resistance, fell down here, went sideways right here, and then pumped again, found the resistance again, came down, and then we had this almost of a bull trap. You know, a lot of people got hammered here. I myself took a lot of leverage around 50k, so I'm currently down in my position, but long term Bitcoin is gonna get up there. One of the things that I've noticed is that after we came down here, we bounced off this line right here. And I'm going to show you how important, how significant this line is to the Bitcoin price. So if you zoom out, okay, and you see that this is the previous all-time high right here. And we draw a line over here. You can see that Bitcoin bounced on this trend line once, twice, and now the third time. We can be almost 100% sure that this is the goddamn bottom. And I wouldn't be crazy to say that you should just sell your house and buy some Bitcoin right here. Not financial advice, but hey, that's what I'm doing, man. That's what I'm doing. Because I don't think Bitcoin is going to ever come down to these levels. You know, as a matter of fact, this sideways area right here, where Bitcoin just goes around here, this is going to become massive support in the future. You can see that countries, corporations, they all adopting Bitcoin. India is looking to adopt Bitcoin. So there's so much bullish news that this all 60 to 30k level, we might never see it ever again. So buy your way up, and then when Bitcoin blasts off past 60, you're done. Just buy altcoins after that. So let's pull out the Bitcoin's market cap. This is what I want to talk about, because you can see in this chart right here that we were sort of in a triangle formation around here, because you can see that we sort of getting rejected by this line in a way. If we exclude this all bull flag over here, a bull trap over here, because it's highly likely that this was manipulation. Highly likely, because we were ahead of schedule. A lot of people were saying that we were ahead of schedule. I personally believe that we were ahead of schedule, and this is confirmation that we were, because we came down and we corrected viciously after that. But if you zoom up here right now, you can see that Bitcoin not only has broke past this level right here, as you can see, it's kind of trending upwards now. What we can expect is Bitcoin to go a little bit higher and then bounce off and flip this resistance into support. When Bitcoin flips this resistance into support, you might as well call your grandma and say, hey grandma, buy some Bitcoin because it's time to go to the moon. I'm telling you guys, not financial advice, but this is looking very, very, very bullish, very bullish, very bullish. So just for the sake of it, let me come back here to the Bitcoin USD chart, and let me clear all this mess that I've made. And we're going to pull on the RSI real quick. So let's go on the indicators right here and RSI. And let's see if we are overbought, oversold, or whatever. Well, in all fairness, I can say that we are a bit overbought. You know, this is not It's nothing new, man. We're currently scoring a 60, 62. Now we're not overbought. This is average. This is good. And mind you, guys, it's still just Tuesday. So I'm very, very bullish for this week. I think we're gonna print a massive green candle right now. I think 3 green candles in a row, 3 weekly green candles in a row is not bad. Especially when you pull the RSI on the weekly, we are so low, so oversold. Basically scoring at 46. This is a layup, guys, man. This is a goddamn layup. Well, you know, it is what it is. So, short term, what can we expect? Bitcoin is gonna pump. It's just gonna. I don't see Bitcoin having a 50% correction or 20% correction over the weekend. I think that we already went through the pain of having a massive 56%, 51% correction, man. That was brutal. You know, a lot of people got liquidated, man. Me, myself, I ate a big fat one, and I'm not ashamed to admit it. We all lose money from time to time. Reptify, right here, buddy. But it is what it is. Macro, super bullish, trending upwards. Bitcoin is going to go to 100K and beyond, if not 200K. But let me finish the video with a chart that I've made a long time ago, and I just want to show this real quick. If I come to my second page, now I personally predicted that we're going to have sort of a post-COVID recession that would drive the price of Bitcoin down, and look what happened right here. Okay, we exactly the same thing that I predicted. We came down, and now we are sort of in a right there. If I zoom out for you guys, you can see that we are right here. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. We are pumping. Look. This is beautiful. Pumping where we should be pumping, and now seems like we're gonna go on a massive uptrend. So I cannot say anything else, man. I cannot say anything else. I can just show you another chart, but this is the one that I think that's really gonna play out, because you know, if you check it out, like technically I was predicting that we go all the way to 20K. That didn't happen. But we went sideways a little bit, we went upwards, we tested this yellow resistance right here, and then we had a 50% correction. Obviously this was manipulation. I'm 100% certain. A lot of liquidity, quantitative easing, people jumping into crypto, a lot of corporations, big countries buying Bitcoin at these levels, pushed Bitcoin all the way to this level, and then they sold it, and now they're buying it back again. And let me show you this. Like this is what can I say, guys? What can I say, man? So this is the video for today. All I'm saying is we are poised for a massive run. I think the pain has passed, and now from this point onwards, it's just green. It's just green, baby. We might have maybe a summer low when Bitcoin corrects a little bit, but from this point on, we're gonna consolidate on these levels. We're gonna move higher and higher and higher and higher. I don't see Bitcoin being less than 80K by September. I don't think so. That Bitcoin at 60K in September, are you mad? No. So guys, leave your comments down below. Subscribe if you want to. And as always, man, do what you like. Peace out.